Hi, I'm Mike with Ultimate Tax. I've been in business since 2006 selling tax preparation software. Prior to working with SEO National, I had an agency that I worked with for many years, and we just parted ways over time. It was nothing, no big deal. It was just it was time to move on. And so I knew what was I was looking for. I knew what was important. I knew that having an SEO strategy was important. So I went on a journey and I started looking for different companies. And actually, before working with Damon, I worked with two different groups. One group was referred to me, and it seemed okay, but I was also kind of struggling finding the right group, right? So I went with this agency, and after a couple months, felt very uncomfortable about the approach. It felt very old school. Didn't seem modern and updated in any way. So tried another agency. He worked with the point of sale system that I had, so kind of thought he was going to be the right partner. Come to find out, he really wasn't doing a whole heck of a lot. He was really just doing some old school stuff that just wasn't getting any results. And so kind of went back on my journey. I found SEO National. What I knew I was looking for is I was looking for a professional group, somebody that kind of hold me accountable, that was staying on schedule, posting new content, um, making me feel like part of the process and not just brushing me off, looking for money and then brushing me off, right? And so, um, like I said, I went on this journey and trying to find an SEO group. And for whatever reason, I ended up with this book that Damon wrote, and I read the book and gave him a call, and it was super easy conversation, right? So just talk through the process. We both kind of agreed it was the right thing to do, and so I moved forward and had a great relationship. And then I decided um, that I needed to have my SEO, my ad partner, my guy who was going to do everything in house. And so I actually parted ways with SEO for a short time. And I had a local person for about a half a year. And come to find out, they were kind of up to some of the old school tactics using AI, but they weren't. Um, I didn't love the approach. Didn't love the way my website was going, even under my direction. There was just some things, some good things, but not things that made me feel comfortable. And so um, I reached out to Damon and Vlad and said, "Hey, do you want me back? Can I come back?" And of course, they were great, right? And so um, they keep you on task. They're very professional, but fun to talk to, right? They give you ideas. They tell you what they think is right. What um, they understand my business, which I think is really important. That for what I do, a lot of people misunderstand what we do, and but not Vlad and Damon. They get it. Um, and so I won't leave again. At this point, unless something drastically changes, I don't see us ever parting ways. They do a great job. They write articles for us. The articles keep me engaged, and the relationship is so easy to work with. Right? They're easy to talk to, easy to work with. Communication's great, and so yeah, I see them as a trusted future long-term partner. So I appreciate it, SEO, and if you're still watching this, give them a shot. Thanks.